When it comes to air quality and air pollution, there is lack of data, and this is why UNICEF is taking a step forward by installing air quality monitors across the country to help UNICEF and UNICEF partners to make informed decisions to create safer learning environment for children in Laos.
The project here in Lao PDR is to use big data, machine learning and AI. We're combining that with data from sensors, air quality sensors at the schools to try and improve our prediction for air quality at school levels.
The air quality monitoring that we're installing, basically they measure the level of pollution, PM 2.5. They send a real-time data to a dashboard, and the dashboard is open source and applicable for everyone to see the level of pollution at the school.
I think there's a really nice link from the work that we're doing to bringing children a little bit of knowledge and understanding around AI and technology. And we think that that can be a good entry point to inspire young people. We know that air quality is a big issue for everyone, not just children. So we're very excited to be able to try and build a better model for protecting children, but also the wider community here in Lao.